If you burden the review process with too much paperwork, people won't do it. Here's an example of a lightweight review report form. The header contains information to record what was reviewed and some simple metrics that may be helpful for later analysis. The most important item in the header beyond what was reviewed is the number of total issues found. We'll see that reviews should be finding more than half your defects. This number from this form is how you get the total number of defects found by your reviews. The bottom half of the spreadsheet has a place to put free-form descriptions of issues that are found. This free-form text should be the minimum text required to convey to the code producer what needs to be fixed. Remember, the author should not be told how to fix the problem, but rather what needs to be fixed. If the author is unsure of what to do, that can be handled with an offline follow-up meeting with the moderator or the recorder. The column on the right is the status, which at the end of the review meeting is blank. Once the review meeting is over, the author fixes what's easy to fix and fills out the status within one working day. If a defect can be fixed within that one day, the spreadsheet is simply changed to a status of fixed, and that's it. If the defect cannot be fixed right away, then it's entered in the bug tracking database as a formal defect report. It is important to minimize the effort required to track bugs, or developers will be incentivized to avoid reporting bugs to avoid the perceived time wasted on defect database entries for, quote, simple bugs. With a one-day fix horizon, that means only that complicated, tough-to-fix bugs require extra effort to go into the database. Regardless of how the data gets into the bug database, it's critically important to track the number of defects found in peer review so that you can figure out whether your peer reviews are broken, where they're working, and where working means they find at least half the bugs.